you actually don't know me. It's just a drive, you know what I'm saying? Hey, oh, hey, that my fault. You caught me off guard. Acting like you know me, dog. Oh, yeah, that's my beat. Telling me how I should do it. Wait, you ain't me. Guess you gon' see, yeah. Young boy out here chasing dreams, yeah. Everything that good ain't what it seems, yeah. Watch out now, you tryna cramp my style. What you doing, cause you wild. Thinking you know more than half of it. I heard your stuff, not a fan of it. Gave you the ball, now you traveling. Stop telling me how I should handle it. Got the hands hot like some cannabis. Found me a parlor, then patented it. She said she loved that I'm passionate. Showed her your stuff and she laughed at it. Took your opinion, I'm trashing it. I think it's best that I pass on it. Take this track and run it back again. Take this track and run it back again, yeah. Hey, that my fault. You caught me off guard. Acting like you know me, dog. Oh, yeah, that's my beat. Telling me how I should do it. Wait, you ain't me. Guess you gon' see it. Hit so many goals, got you on defense. Saw you post that song, might go to league. Take one for the team. Might need a goalie. Way I'm kicking these beats. I'm Muhammad Ali with the hook. Give me a verse and I might leave them shook. They in a hearse every time that I cook. They in a hearse every time that I holla. Home team on my back. Some fault, don't like that. Sometimes it's like that. Guess that's my bad. Hey, that my fault. You caught me off guard. Acting like you know me, dog. Oh, yeah, that's my beat. Telling me how I should do it. Wait, you ain't me. Guess you gon' see. Hey, that my fault. You caught me off guard. Acting like you know me, dog. Oh, yeah, that's my beat. Telling me how I should do it. Wait, you ain't me. Guess you gon' see. You actually don't know me. It's just a drive, you know what I'm saying? Hey, oh, hey, that my fault. You caught me off guard. Acting like you know me, dog. Oh, yeah, that's my beat. Telling me how I should do it. Wait, you ain't me. Guess you gon' see, yeah. Young boy out here chasing dreams, yeah. Everything that good ain't what it seems, yeah. Watch out now, you tryna cramp my style. What you doing, cause you wild. Thinking you know more than half of it. I heard your stuff, not a fan of it. Gave you the ball, now you traveling. Stop telling me how I should handle it. Got the hands hot like some cannabis. Found me a parlor, then patented it. She said she loved that I'm passionate. Showed her your stuff and she laughed at it. Took your opinion, I'm trashing it. I think it's best that I pass on it. Take this track and run it back again. Take this track and run it back again, yeah. Hey, that my fault. You caught me off guard. Acting like you know me, dog. Oh, yeah, that's my beat. Telling me how I should do it. Wait, you ain't me. Guess you gon' see it. Hit so many goals, got you on defense. Saw you post that song, might go to league. Take one for the team. Might need a goalie. Way I'm kicking these beats. I'm Muhammad Ali with the hook. Give me a verse and I might leave them shook. They in a hearse every time that I cook. They in a hearse every time that I holla. Home team on my back. Some fault, don't like that. Sometimes it's like that. Guess that's my bad.
Like a cold sunny afternoon, like the snow coming down in June, like a wedding without a groom, I'm missing you. Yeah! Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Okay, y'all, your girl was down for the count for a couple of weeks. I was sick, but you know, I'm feeling a lot better. I was so excited to record today because I'm back to my normal self. So I'm like loud, ta-da, watch out now. It's the little one and I'm not bow wow. Yes. Okay, y'all. Bring it back a few notches, Shanise. I know they missed you. Like Aaron Hall. I miss you. Hey, I'm talking to you, baby. Yes, y'all, it feels so good to be recording again and feeling better while I'm doing it. Today's video is sponsored by Victoriaswig. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. All of their information will be listed down below in the description box, as well to the direct link where you can purchase this wig off their site, y'all. Go ahead, run and go get your wallets now. Go ahead, skedaddle, scoot, go get it. Go get it, y'all. This wig is thebomb.com. Do you hear me? Yes, y'all, I'm loving this wig. I'm loving this entire look. Like, honey, we show stopping. We show stopping. The wig that I'm wearing today is their Glueless short pixie cut. It's in 8 inches, yes, and it's 150% in density. And do y'all want to know the price? Y'all, we can slay for $89, y'all. Yes, $89. Oh, this slayage is $89 plus tax, okay? Yes, y'all. I mean, it's like that, y'all. It's like that, like that, y'all. Yes, I am so hyped about this wig, y'all. I've never had a pixie cut before, so when they reached out to me to introduce one of their new products, I was like, we can go ahead and try it, you know, but on the inside, I'm like really nervous, like really nervous. But, y'all, this is an entire look. Do you hear me? Who I think I am? Behind the ear, little sideburn action. I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys the pros and cons to this wig. Y'all, ain't no cons. None. I have 0 cons, y'all. Victoriaswig be coming through. So let's jump right ahead into the pros of this wig. The first pro of this wig is the style, y'all. I've never had a pixie cut style before, and even though the wig comes in 8 inches, it's falling like a 10 on me. You know, I am 5'1", so it might be shorter on, it might look shorter on someone else, but it's like falling maybe like a 10 on me, but it's still thebomb.com. Another pro to this wig is the hair. I did go in and shampoo and deep condition this hair. I did not receive any tangling while styling this wig. I did receive some shedding after I cut off the lace and while shampooing the hair. But as of now, I'm not receiving any additional shedding. Yes, I'm just like so happy about this wig. It is just so freaking beautiful. Like, you're beautiful. Yes. And my man was kissing on me and loving on me because he loved his wig so much. And I was just like, grr. Another pro to this wig is the hairline. The hairline comes really natural. This wig does come pre-plucked and the knots are bleached. So you are going to have perfection. Do you hear me? I did not use my Sally Hansen Deep Glow Spray on this unit. All I did was apply some pressed powder to the hairline and the parting space, and bam! Thank you, ma'am. To style this wig, all I did was flat iron it. I did put a lot of curls in this wig at first, but I was looking real mushroom. You know, back in the day when they had the ends tightly curled under. So that's what it was looking like. And I was like, no. So I did go back in and flat iron some of the curls out, and I just gave myself a little bump. Now, I did go in and curl the bang, and then I pin curled it, and the wig sat overnight, and then I recorded for you guys. But yes, y'all, this wig does hold a curl. It can be flat ironed, it can be straightened. As far as the wig being big head friendly, they do come in different cap sizes. I am wearing a medium, which is a 22.5. I should have got a small. I believe if I got a small, I would be able to wear this wig glueless. I did have to go and lay down this side and the front portion of the wig. I did not lay this side of the wig. The wig is kind of big in the back, so I did go in and adjust the straps. But as far as the ear tabs, they are matching up with my ears perfectly. I just had to go in and cut off a little teeny bit of lace so that it could lay flat. Y'all can't tell me this ain't my real hair. Like, y'all cannot tell me this is not my real hair. This bang is giving me real Aaliyah realness. Like, I'm sending you a 4-page letter, okay? And I enclose it with a kiss. Yes, because, you know, This wig is the bomb. You know, it just got me going back, forth, and forth. Yes, y'all. Because at your best, you are love. I'll go ahead and wrap today's video up, y'all, because it's not a whole lot for me to say. Y'all know I would sit up here and sing to y'all all day and night. Okay? Because I can tell you how I feel about you night and day. How I feel about you. Hey. Yes. So once again, a big thank you to Victoriaswig for sponsoring today's video. If you like today's video or you just like me, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say, what's up? I missed you. It's good to have you back and singing again. Drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below because I know you see it. I know you see it. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.
You got me off guard. Acting like you know me.